This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English in high school. First, let's talk about active reading. When you read, don't just skim, truly engage with the text. Highlight important passages and jot down questions or thoughts in the margins. This active approach helps you connect with the material on a deeper level, improving your comprehension and retention significantly. Aim to spend at least 15 minutes actively reading each day. Next, let's focus on mastering your writing skills. Consistent practice is key, so try writing a short essay or paragraph at least 3 times a week. Always outline your ideas before you begin writing. This ensures a clear structure and helps maintain a logical flow throughout your piece. After drafting, dedicate at least 20 minutes to revising and editing your work for grammar, punctuation, and overall clarity. This step is crucial for producing polished, effective writing. Building a strong vocabulary and solid grammar foundation is essential. Try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day, focusing on how they are used in different contexts. Flashcards or a dedicated vocabulary journal can be incredibly effective tools for memorization and recall. Additionally, regularly review fundamental grammar rules, perhaps for 10 minutes each day, to refine your sentence structure and ensure accuracy in both your writing and speaking. This consistent effort truly pays off. Finally, let's enhance your overall communication skills. Actively participate in class discussions. This is a fantastic way to articulate your thoughts and engage with different perspectives. Practice presenting your ideas, even if it's just to a mirror for 5 minutes, to build confidence and fluency. Also, cultivate strong listening skills by paying close attention to lectures and peer contributions, taking concise notes to aid your understanding and retention. These skills are invaluable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.